even know that electricity traveled a long distance before it gets to your socket, before you can make use of it to charge your phone, plug your appliances at home? It's a long distance. Oh, you don't know? Let me tell you today. That's why I'm here. So pay attention to this video, okay? Hi, my name is Asanloko Sunday. I'm an electrical engineering technician. And welcome to Touch of Light, where we make electricity easy to understand. If you follow my last video, the next thing I said I'll be talking about is voltage, currents, and power. But after my last video, I come to the conclusion of telling you about how electricity is being generated, transmitted, and distributed to our house. Before I can make use of it, then I'll proceed to telling you about voltage, current, and power. So today we are going to be talking about how electricity travel from power stations where it's being generated to our house in a simple language you can easily understand. So follow me. Every time you just walk into your room and then carry your phone, plug your charger or the socket, and then you plug your phone and the thing starts increasing your battery percentage till it's full, and then you make use of it. But I don't think you ask yourself the question, how is this thing even come about? How did they come about this thing? The only thing I think you know is just that whenever you travel, you come across some big power lines and you see transformers around your streets. Yeah, electricity is being generated through different means. And where electricity is being generated is called power station. And it's being generated through different power source. Yes, we have the one that is being generated using water. We call that one hydroelectric power source, power station. Okay, we have the one that is being generated using gas, natural gas or coal. That one makes use of heat to generate it. We have one that is making use of wind, wind. That will, through that, there will be some mechanical action that will take place, and electricity will be generated through that. Then we have one that is being generated making use of sunlight. I think that one is the one raining right now, and you also want to get it in your apartment, popularly known as what? Solar power station. All right, so what are these things actually doing? They are doing some mechanical work that is being converted into electricity. So after this mechanical work and electricity is being generated, they generate this electricity in a high megawatts. I mean very high megawatts. You see this light bulb, take for instance this light bulb is rated 5 watts. 5 watts. Then you plug it to your lamp holder and then it switches on. But the electricity that's being generated at these power stations are rated in megawatts. That is millions of watts. Like the largest electricity power stations in Nigeria, located at Lagos, is rated 1,320 megawatts. You can see that's a lot. And then we have the largest hydroelectric power station located in Kanji, Niger State. That one is rated 720 megawatts. 720 megawatts. That's millions of watts. You dare not move closer. You dare not touch it. So after the generation, they will now move this electricity to transmission station. From power station, we have power stations in Nigeria, like 4 of them in Niger State, and then others we have in Lagos, we have in Ondo State, we have in Delta, we have different part of the country like that. They will move the electricity in high voltage. They will move them to transmission station. Yeah, most of you know the one, the common one in Osogbo. Yeah, they will move them to transmission station using what? Transmission lines, the one you used to see when you pass through somewhere around Kwara State. You see them and other places like that. They travel in a very long distance. So once they get to this transmission station, they will step the electricity down. They will try to reduce it because it's a lot. You cannot make use of it. Nobody can make use of it. So they will try to reduce it using some high power transformers there. So they will reduce it to now move through distribution lines. So that one is called distribution procedure again. So it will move from that place, then it will travel down to your distribution station. it will move to your what? Distribution station. So from that it is that distribution station that will now reduce it. It will reduce it to the level of the electricity you can make use in your house. That is how it works. Then from a house, you will now bring in one cable called service cable. It is this service cable that you will now tap from the distribution, use to tap from the distribution table and distribution station and move it to your house. So once it gets to your house, then it will enter the meter, and then from your meter it will move to your distribution board. Then from your distribution board it is being spread to all your electrical fittings in your house, like your sockets, your electrical bulb, and other things like that. Before you can now say, oh, I want to watch TV, I want to plug my phone. Then you plug your phone. You make use of your blender, you make use of them. So that is how electricity moves. So sometimes when you plug it, come to the database. Before I can make use of this thing in my house, it's a long journey, it's a long process, and then that is how it's been generated and it's been transported. So electricity, they try, I'm telling you, they try, they move. This is what I will just tell you about the electricity. Don't worry. In my next video, I'll move to the video I promised you to make regarding voltage, current, and power. What you need to know in a simple language that you can easily understand. Video I made. If you have not watched my previous video concerning what electricity is, you can go to my page and watch those videos, and also like, share, and follow. Then watch out for my next video that I'll be releasing on this page. Thank you very much. Welcome once again to Touch of Light, where we make electricity easy to understand.